You might think a simple car air freshener is harmless, but the Drift Car Air Freshener has a story behind it that most buyers don't see until it's too late. Promoted heavily on Instagram with sleek visuals and promises of a premium scent experience, Drift claims to transform your car into a luxurious smelling space for just $8, but there's a catch that has left thousands frustrated. Many customers report that after purchase, they suddenly find themselves enrolled in recurring subscriptions without clear consent, and trying to cancel becomes a maze of emails, calls, and automated responses that go unanswered. Despite the freshener itself being well-designed and delivering a noticeable scent, the post-purchase experience paints a very different picture. Charges can quietly accumulate, turning a small one-time purchase into a monthly financial annoyance. And both Trustpilot and the Better Business Bureau reflect that, with a 1.2-star rating and an F grade respectively. The company behind Drift, acquired by Scentbird in 2022, seems to have continued aggressive subscription practices, and hundreds of verified customer accounts describe nearly identical experiences, from surprise charges to difficulty reaching support. It's not that the product is inherently bad. Many users genuinely like the way it looks and smells, and it does bring a premium feel to the car interior. But the way the business model is structured makes the overall experience far more complicated than most buyers expect, and it leaves people questioning whether the convenience and design are worth the risk of recurring charges. If you're considering Drift, it's essential to weigh the upfront appeal against the potential subscription headaches and to be fully aware of what you're signing up for before clipping one of these to your visor. This review isn't about saying the product is terrible or perfect. It's about showing what actually happens after checkout, so you can make a more informed decision before getting pulled in by glossy ads.